In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile prepayments on Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a customer or supplier prepayment straight from your bank reconciliation, so it's stored as a credit you can apply to future invoices or bills. First, head to your bank account in Xero and click Reconcile. This opens the bank reconciliation screen, where each line represents a real transaction from your bank feed. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account and date, and choose the statement line that represents the prepayment. This is typically a deposit from a customer or an upfront payment to a supplier before an invoice or bill exists. If Xero doesn't suggest a match, click Add Details on that bank line. This option allows you to manually tell Xero what the transaction is for when there's no existing document to match against. It's perfect for prepayments because you're creating a transaction that will be applied later rather than closing an invoice or bill today. Double check whether the line is money received or money spent so your prepayment lands on the correct side. Next, choose direct payment. In Xero, a direct payment records a transaction directly against the contact without linking to a specific invoice or bill. This is the foundation for creating a clean prepayment that can be used in the future. Now, select prepayment. By choosing prepayment, you're telling Xero to store this money as a credit for that contact. For money received, it will sit as a customer. Credit you can allocate to their next sales invoice. For money spent, it will become a supplier credit that you can apply to a future bill. This classification is important for accurate reporting and a smooth allocation later. Enter a clear reference. Use something you'll recognize when you come back to apply the credit. Think of a concise description such as the customer or supplier name, a brief purpose, a deposit or booking note, or the date range the prepayment covers. Consistency is key. Mirroring the wording from your bank statement can make future searches easier. You'll typically see the amount pulled in automatically from the bank line. Just verify it's correct. When you're happy with the details, click Save Transaction. Xero will create the prepayment and reconcile the bank line in one go. You should now see that statement line marked as reconciled, and the prepayment will be available to allocate the next time you create or receive the related invoice or bill. That's it. You've recorded and reconciled a prepayment directly from your bank feed, keeping your accounts tidy and ready for quick allocation later.